Lisa with WTI. I don't know about you, but I love almond milk. Not any almond milk is created equal though. The one from the store is very different from the one you actually make at home. This one actually has a lot of almonds. I love this nut milk maker machine by Roman Ventures because it's super easy to operate. I like that it has a safety feature that if you don't close the lid, it's not going to turn on. Once it's on, you choose the milk of your choice, and that is it. You patiently wait for a couple of minutes, and then you're gonna see this deliciousness here. I personally love adding some vanilla extract, a little bit of monk fruit, and cinnamon. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the filter, with the measuring scoop, with the cleaning brush, and you're gonna get the best almond milk ever. Of course, you can also make soy milk, oat milk, or the milk of your choice. You're going to see too that this filter it comes with, it's super easy to clean. I love adding this real homemade almond milk to my coffee. It's delicious. This nut milk maker machine would make the perfect gift. It's pretty sturdy. You see the quality. I love this pink color, and it comes with everything you need. It comes with the recipe book, with the filter, with the stainless measuring scoop, and the cleaning brush. I highly recommend this nut milk maker machine by Roman Ventures. So if you're looking into making your own milk, check this milk maker out, and that is my point of view.